Closing arguments are wrapping up in former President Donald Trump's hush money trial. For weeks, jurors have heard testimony in the criminal case.
And tomorrow, deliberations are expected to start. CBS News' Michael George is outside of the Manhattan criminal court with a look at what's next.
Jim, Marie, the way things are looking, the jury could start deliberating tomorrow. The defense wrapped up its closing argument, and right now the prosecution is making its case. Former President Donald Trump headed back into court Tuesday to hear closing arguments from prosecutors. He's charged with falsifying business records to interfere with the 2016 election.
They are going to want to take a really broad look at all of the evidence, take a walk down memory lane over the past 5 weeks of testimony.
Before lunch, the jury heard 3 hours of closing arguments from defense lawyer Todd Blanche attacking the prosecution's key witness, Michael Cohen. Cohen testified he was acting on Trump's behalf when he paid hush money to porn star Stormy Daniels prior to the 2016 election.
They're hearing a constant refrain from Todd Blanche, the former president's attorney, which is Cohen the liar, Cohen the liar, Cohen the liar.
Blanche concluded by asking jurors to not send his client to prison. After the jury left, Judge Juan Merchan reprimanded Blanche, calling the comment outrageous. Outside the courthouse today, there's been a steady buzz of energy as multiple people stepped up to the microphones, firing up demonstrators. 2 of Trump's sons spoke during lunch, calling the trial a political persecution.
It is an insanity. It is an embarrassment. It's an abomination to democracy and to our republic.
Earlier, the Biden campaign held a news conference.
We're here primarily because of the threat that Donald Trump poses to the United States of America and to our democracy.
Biden's campaign was joined by actor Robert De Niro and 2 former Capitol police officers who criticized Trump for his role in the January 6th Capitol riot. Now, here's the big question everyone is asking. If found guilty, could former President Trump be sent to jail? Potentially, but it's up to the judge, and he's got a pretty wide discretion here. For a felony falsifying business records charge, he could just as easily impose probation, a fine, or even house arrest. Michael George, CBS 2 News.
Thank you, Michael. In a separate Trump case dealing with classified documents, the Florida judge has denied prosecutors' requests. They wanted to bar Trump from making public statements that could endanger law enforcement agents. Last week, Trump falsely claimed FBI agents who searched his Florida estate in 2022 were authorized to shoot him.